Hello to all our hardworking teachers and educators. Welcome to the DepEd Computerization Program Orientation Training. This video will guide you on how to set up, configure, and operate various equipment needed in your school. These digital tools are a laptop, a 2-in-1 tablet PC, a charging and storage cart, a 3-in-1 multifunction inkjet printer, a wireless router, and a smart TV. Mahalaga po na masanay kayo sa wastong paggamit ng mga teknolohiyang ito upang maiwasan ang pagkasira o hindi tamang paggana ng mga ito. Ituturo rin namin sa inyo kung paano mag-troubleshoot para agad ninyong magawa ng solusyon ang anumang problema na maaari ninyong maengkwentro sa paggamit ng mga equipment ninyo. A thorough understanding of these equipment will give you the ability to quickly correct any malfunction should it occur and avoid any further delays or interruptions in your class. This video will provide you with detailed specifications and functions of each equipment and accessory. Iisa-isahin po natin pag-aaralan ang mga ito, kung ano ang gamit nila at kung saan dapat ikabit. Kaya ngayon, dear teachers, kayo naman muna ang estudyante ha? So feel free to take down notes and listen carefully. Class begins now.